सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we are watching some GK quiz questions for kids of classes 4 5 age group 10 to 12. Age group 10 to 12. This is a crucial age as your kids learn most during this time. The questions listed under this section can be a bit tough compared to the sets listed above, but we are sure that your child will get it right. Now I'm starting my session. Listen carefully and pay attention. What is the standard test of the water? What is the standard test of the water? So, this question answer, water is tasteless. The first question answer you have seen. And now we will watch next question. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Rising sun, Japan. Next question. Which is the fastest animal on the land? Cheetah is the fastest animal on the land. Who is the inventor of electricity? Benjamin Franklin is the inventor of electricity. Which continent is known as dark continent? Answer: Africa is known as dark continent. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. These are questions are most important for these 8 students. Which is the tallest animal on the earth? Giraffe is the tallest animal on the earth. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Skin is the most sensitive organ in the body. Which two parts of the body continue to grow for your entire life? Nose and ears. The largest democracy in the world, India, is the largest democracy in the world. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Okay, now we will watch next question. Which is the instrument used to measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. We will use the blood pressure. How many years are there in century? 100 years are there in century. So, which is the largest country in the world? answer Russia by area. So, students, we have seen today some GK question and these questions answer. These questions are most important. So, I am completing my session and I wish you will enjoy this lecture. Namaskar.